Before you pay your bills, before you buy your morning coffee, and before you spend a single rupee, there is one habit that will change your life forever. Pay yourself first. This simple phrase might sound small, but it is the foundation of every financial success story. Wealthy people don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. And this one shift in thinking separates those who struggle financially from those who build lasting wealth. Let me explain why paying yourself first is so powerful. Imagine you earn your salary, and the first thing you do is start paying everyone else. You pay your landlord, you pay the electric company, you pay the grocery store, you pay the coffee shop, you pay the online subscriptions. At the end of the month, you look at your account and there's nothing left. That's how most people live. Month after month, year after year. They work hard, but financially they stand still. Now picture a different way. The moment your salary arrives, you take a small portion, maybe 10%, maybe 5%, maybe even just 500 rupees, and you move it into a separate savings or investment account. You don't touch it. You treat it like a bill that must be paid, but the bill is to yourself. What's left after that is what you use to pay for your needs and wants. That is paying yourself first. And it works because you've made your financial future the priority before anything else. The beauty of this habit is that it doesn't depend on how much you earn. People often say, "I'll start saving when I earn more." But here's the truth: if you can't save when you're earning less, you probably won't save when you're earning more. Lifestyle inflation will eat up your raise before you even notice it. Paying yourself first is about discipline, not income. If you can put away 500 rupees now, you can put away 5,000 later and 50,000 after that. The habit grows with your income. You might be thinking, "But I have so many expenses already. How can I pay myself first?" The answer is simple: you adjust your lifestyle to what's left after saving, instead of adjusting your savings to what's left after spending. It might mean cooking at home more often instead of ordering food every day. It might mean delaying that new phone for another year. Small sacrifices now create big rewards later. And when you live this way, you stop feeling like money controls you, and you start feeling like you control money. Over time, something amazing happens. Your savings start to grow. Then you invest them, and those investments begin to earn money on their own. This is when compound interest comes into play. Your money starts working for you even when you're sleeping. Imagine putting away just 500 rupees a month for the next year. That's 6,000 rupees. Over 10 years, that's 60,000 rupees. Add in investment returns, and you could be looking at double or even triple that amount. And remember, that's from just 500 rupees a month. Increase that amount as your income grows, and the results will surprise you. This is why paying yourself first is not just a money tip, it's a mindset. You are telling yourself that your future matters more than instant pleasure. You are building a safety net for emergencies. You are creating options for yourself, whether that's starting a business, buying a home, or retiring early. And most importantly, you are freeing yourself from the endless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. The earlier you start, the more powerful this habit becomes. If you start in your 20s, the results will be incredible. If you start in your 30s or 40s, you can still make a huge difference in your financial future. But no matter your age, the best day to start was yesterday, and the next best day is today. So here's your challenge. The next time you receive money, whether it's your salary, a bonus, or even a small side income, pay yourself first. Move that amount into a separate account before you spend a single rupee. Treat it as non-negotiable. Protect it. Watch it grow. And understand that every time you do this, you are buying yourself something priceless: freedom. Freedom from financial stress. Freedom to make choices. Freedom to live life on your own terms. Start today. Pay yourself first, and let your money start working for you instead of the other way around. Your future self will thank you.